morning students. Today you are going to study about plant and animal hormones. Here first you must know what is hormone. That is from the Greek word hormone, to excite. Here let's see plant hormones. The control and coordination in plant is performed by some chemical substance. They are called plant hormone, otherwise phytohormone. Plant hormones are the organic molecule that are produced at low concentration in plants. Low concentration in plants which control morphological, physiological and biochemical response. They are called plant hormones. There are 5 types: auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, abscisic acid and ethylene. First 3, auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, promote plant growth. Then last 2, abscisic acid and ethylene, they inhibit plant growth. Let's see first one, auxin. Here auxin, in a Greek word auxine, that means to grow. The first plant hormone discovered is auxin. The term auxin was given by 2 scientists, Kohel and Kagan-Smith, in the year of 1931. Then where it is produced? It is at the tip of the stem and the root. It is produced at the tip of the stem and root. Charles Darwin, he confirmed that unilateral growth and curvature of canary grass coleoptile, and he concluded that something transmitted from the tip of the coleoptile to basal region. Then that influence, that something, was later identified as a auxin by the scientist Wendt. Let's see Wendt's experiment. Fritz Warmolt Wendt, he demonstrated the existence and effect of auxin in plants. He did a series of experiments in the Avena coleoptile. This is Avena coleoptile. In his first experiment, he cut the coleoptile tip. The cut tips did not grow. That indicates something that produced at the tip essential for the growth. Then in his second experiment, he placed some agar block on the decapitated coleoptile tip. Here also nothing happened, it does not grow. Then the third experiment, he kept that detached coleoptile tip on the agar block. Then in his fourth experiment, he placed that agar block on the decapitated tip. Then he found that the growth. From that he understood that from the tip of the coleoptile something diffused down, and that is responsible for the growth. So he concluded that some chemical substance diffuses from the tip of the coleoptile was responsible for the growth. So he named that as a auxin. That meaning to grow. Then there are 2 types of auxins: natural auxin and synthetic auxin. Natural auxin means it is produced by the plants. Example, IAA, indole acetic acid. Next one, synthetic auxin. It is artificially synthesized, but it have a properties like the natural auxin. Example, 2,4-D, 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Let's see what are the effects of the auxin. Here auxin brings out variety of physiological effects in different parts of the plants. Let's see one by one. First one, it promotes the elongation of stem and coleoptile. Second one, it induces root formation at low concentration, but at higher concentration it will inhibit the root. Then it will produces the apical bud that suppress the growth of the lateral bud. This process is called apical dominance. The important feature is apical dominance. Then the seedless fruits, that parthenocarpic fruits, are formed by external application of auxin. Example, watermelon, grapes and lime. Then it will prevent the formation of abscission layer. So what are the physiological effects of auxin? Elongation of stem and coleoptile, induces root formation at low concentration. Then apical dominance, parthenocarpy, prevent the formation of abscission layer. Let's see second one, cytokinin. Cytos, cell. Kinesis, division. So in plant, it is helping for cell division. It is first isolated from sperm of the herring fish. Sperm of the herring fish. But in plant, it was isolated from, as a zeatin from zeamase. Zeatin is also a cytokinin. Then where we can find more amount means it is found abundantly in liquid endosperm of the coconut. Liquid endosperm of the coconut. Have you drank tender coconut? Yeah, there only found more amount of cytokinin. Then what are the physiological effect of cytokinin? First point, it induces cell division in the presence of auxin. Then it causes cell enlargement. Then both auxin and cytokinin responsible for the formation of new organ in tissue culture. Then it promotes the growth of lateral bud even in the presence of apical bud. Last point, it delays the process of aging in plants. It delays the process of aging in plants. This is called Richmond-Land effect. It is a peculiar for cytokinin. So physiological effects, cell division, cell enlargement, then formation of new organ, growth of lateral bud, then Richmond-Land effect. Students, I will give you some questions. You can write this as a self-test in your note. Thank you.